Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and I just wanted to give you a follow-up on the Corona Chronicles. So it seems that my neighbor Mark and I are still deeply locked in battle. I thought everything was good. I thought we had clearly established that I was the victor when it came to dominance in the neighborhood. And as another olive branch, I thought Mark had reached out to me to invite me to hang out with him. Well, hang out with him. He wanted me to swim with him, and in the mornings, just so we could have some bonding time. And I really didn't want to. Because it's not anything against Mark. It's just that, well, it was a pool, and swimming is not my thing. But I felt like he was genuine in his approach, so I thought everything in me is saying no, so I'm going to say yes. So I took Mark up on his invitation to meet him at the pool to go swimming, and it is quite clear to me now that it was not a genuine invitation, not at all. Mark has done his research, and he knows that I've got a little bit of tiger in me, and it's true. I'm a longtime descendant from the great cats. And so Mark wasn't really inviting me to swim. He was inviting me to drown me. He's trying to kill me. He knows that I really don't care for water, don't really like the water. Really, water's just good for drinking and taking a bath, but not for locomotion and transportation. Like, that's just silly. That's why we have boats, and that's why I live on land and drive a car. So it turns out, again, that he was trying to one-up me to regain his reign, or he thought it was a reign, but he's trying to make sure it's a permanent reign by getting rid of me. So there's only really one way to settle this. We're going to settle this old school. And I'm just sharing this with you so you know that do not fear. I'm going to come out on top. So we're going to settle this the way we used to do when I was a kid, and the way any kid growing up in the 80s did. We're going to settle it with bubble gum. So the rules are, we got to get the same kind of gum though. Bubble gum, because it's full of sugar. And you don't want gum that's got sugar alcohols in it, because that stuff's bad. That stuff will just mess up your stomach. I mean, they're trying to kill you too, basically, but that's another story. So go for the real sugar, because you don't want to mess up your stomach. And you're working hard enough chewing that you'll burn that sugar off. Don't worry about that. So the way we settle this is who blows the biggest bubble on the playground. And we do actually have a playground in the neighborhood. I frequent it a lot. So does Mark, actually. Anyway, so bubble gum, real sugar, gum, and it looks like this. That was not a good bubble. I'm not going to win with that, but don't worry, guys. Once I get all the sugar out of this gum, it's going to be massive. Like, you're going to be impressed. Mark's going to be scared. He's not going to be able to I'm not even sure that Mark can chew gum. So I've seen him walk through the neighborhood, and if he's able to chew gum, well, I'm impressed. Color me impressed. So here we go. Got more sugar out now. And I just want you to feel confident in my ability to reign supreme in the neighborhood. By the way, I've got another neighbor named Mindy. She's trying to take the title, but she's a runner. It's never going to happen. All right, so here we go. All right, that was weak. But don't worry, guys. This is going to work. This is going to work. I'm just messing with you guys. Hey, guys, thanks so much for watching my channel. I hope this made you smile just a little bit. I am Tim. This should have been Original Strength, but it's really more just, hey, how you doing? All right, we'll talk to you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.